In this video, I want to use Gitkraken as a way to visualize our branches and specifically to visualize the merging process. So I have Gitkraken open with this playlist repository. We just merged our two branches. We merged oldies into master. Unfortunately, I've been trying desperately to zoom this in. This is as far as it lets me go for whatever reason. I hope that you can see this. Otherwise, I'll try and make it a bit larger in post-production, although it might be blurry. Anyway, I have my road trip playlist repository open, and if you don't remember how to open that, just go to View All Repositories, or you can actually click right there to open a repository, and then navigate to the right folder and open it. So here it is, and I can see each branch reference over here on the left side. Now, master and oldies are currently referring to the exact same commits because that's where they are. They are in sync with one another right now. But I'm going to change that. I'm actually going to add some more work to the oldies branch and then merge it back into master eventually. But for now, I'm going to go to the oldies branch. So let's switch over, git switch oldies. And then I'm just going to add another song or two here. Okay, so I added two songs by Wings, Band on the Run and Live and Let Die. Let's add both of those. So git commit -a-m, add two Wings songs. Okay, so we added that to oldies, right? Master no longer is up to date or in sync with oldies. Oldies now has a commit that master does not. Obviously, if I switch to master, we see that go away. So now if we go back to Gitkraken, we can see here's master. The last commit master has is this one, add two Van Morrison songs. Oldies is now one commit ahead, and it has add two Wings songs. So I can do one more example. Let's just add two more songs. How about two Joni Mitchell songs? Let me switch back, git switch. And I can switch branches using Gitkraken or a GUI, so I can switch this way if you prefer. And now in my terminal, I type git status. It does say I'm on oldies. So I prefer to use terminal, but I like to use Gitkraken to help visualize this stuff. Anyway, I'm going to add two Joni Mitchell songs. There we are, River and Both Sides now. Great songs. I will add those changes and commit. So git commit -a-m. And I could do this from within Gitkraken if I wanted to. Over here, view the change. I can stage that file. And then I can make my commit message, add two Joni Mitchell songs. It's the exact same thing. Whoops, I mean two. It's just I'm doing it from a GUI. So I stage that file, I commit, and I'm on the branch oldies. So let's do that. Okay, so now we see this is where master was. It still is, but oldies now has two new commits that master does not have. So this sets us up for what we've already seen, a fast forward merge. If I want to merge the changes from oldies into master, it's pretty straightforward. All we need to do is add these two commits to master. Well, it's not what we do, but it's what Git does. It just catches up to the top, so it's in sync with oldies. So again, this is master right now. This is oldies. There's two commits on oldies that master does not have. I'm going to merge them. So what is that process like again? Well, it's two steps. Remember, we go to the destination branch, and then we merge with git merge and our branch name. So I'm going to switch to master. Okay, now I'm going to run git merge and then oldies. So before I hit enter, just one more time, these two commits, Wings and Joni Mitchell, those two bands or two groups that I added songs for, those commits are now going to be added to master. Or another way of thinking of it is just master is going to fast forward and catch up with those two commits. So here we go, fast forward, and you can see over here now, master and oldies are both referring to the same commit. So that's visualizing a fast forward merge. But as I've alluded to, not every merge is a fast forward. And in the next video, we will deliberately create a situation that is not as simple. We'll have to merge and there may be some issues that arise. So that's coming up.